Hello students, after 6.2, let us go for 6.3. In 6.3, like in 6.1 and in 6.1 you studied about the exponent, which is power. In 6.2 you studied about the reciprocal of the power, like if it is 2 by 3, 2 you studied 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9 in 6.1. But in 6.2, if it is minus 3 by 2 will be 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. But in 6.3, you are going to study the scientific notation or standard form. Okay, scientific notation or standard form. What is standard form for the chapter is, suppose if it is written 2000. Let us take an example. It is 2000. It is 2000. If it is 2000, in standard form, how we is to write, or in scientific notation, how we is to write? We'll write 2 into 10 to the power 3. That's all. That's called scientific notation. Let us take an example. Suppose, how comes this one? Suppose 2000 means what? 2 into 1000. 2 into 1000. So 1002 into here 10. This 1000 can be written 10 into 10 into 10. If you multiply 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. Same only. Whether you are writing 1000 in this way or 10 10 10, same only, right? But together it is how much? It is 2000 only. Here also 2000, here also 2000, here also 2000, here also 2000. So what is right? 2 into 10. 10 how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 3. I hope it is clear, right? This way we are going to do this chapter. Okay. Now, other one is decimal system. Okay, like question number 1, it is given that write the following in standard form. Question number 1 is 590. Question number 1, Roman 1, exercise 6.3, 590. 350 000. Okay, 590 350 000. So in question is right in standard form. So in standard form, five nine zero 350 000 is equal to, first count the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 10 to the power 4. Okay, 0 from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power 4. After this, what is left? 590 350. 590 350. But this is not the complete answer. Okay, this is not the complete answer. We need to put the decimal. Like in previous question, when I was explaining 2000, I didn't put. But if your digit is more than 2, for example, if it is 24,000, if it is 24,000, what we have to do? 24 into 10 to the power how much? 3, because 1, 2, 3, so 3. But this is 2 digit, that's why you have to put 2.4. Since it is 2 digit, that's why we need to write what? 2.4. 2.4, as soon as you see here no point, but you are bringing point, that means you are getting 1 0 extra. Okay, 1 0 extra. So if we have 3, it will become how much? 4. Okay, this is a simple. So here also how much? 590 into 10 to the power how much? 4. 10 to the power 4. But here we will put the point, only one digit will leave from the left. Okay, unit, only unit place will leave. From here we will count it. So point here, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means plus 5. Okay, plus 5. So 5.90 into 10 to the power how much? 10 to the power how much? 9. Now here, if it is 0 at the end, just we don't write that. That means 5.9035 10 to the power 9. Okay. Roman number 2, 1387983. 1387983. 1387983. Okay. In standard form. So in standard form, we will do it. 1387983 is equal to 1387983. As I told you, we need to see the 0, but there is no 0. Okay, so what do you have to do? We write into 10. Okay, into 10. Into 10 is compulsory to write into 10. Now we'll see the zeros. There is no 0. So what we have to do? We will leave it 1 point here, 1 digit, and after it we will put the point. That means after the point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the power 6. That is the answer. That's all. Okay. Roman number 3 is 0.09308005. Okay. So 0.09308005 is equal to what? See. This side, as we are going to put it in the decimal form to write it in standard form, but here already decimal is there. Okay. That means what we have to do, this side we will leave it. This 0 form will write how much? 930805 into 10 to the power. So how much we have here? 1, 2. We left it here, isn't it? Here. That means how many digits we are getting? Only 10. But we will put the point here. 9. That means 9 point. 9.3085. 9.3085. Here. That means before the point, how many digits? 1, 2. 1, 2. So 2. Okay. Before the point, how many digits? Only 1, 2. 9 point. Suppose if this is 0, if 9 is 0, that means we will count from here. 3.08. And this is 0, but this is 9 now. That means 0.09. That means only 2 digits. So 2. But this is minus 2. Why minus? Because from the decimal you are taking it. That's why it is negative. Okay, negative minus 2. If you are putting the decimal form your side, that means it is plus 2. Okay, I hope you understood. So this is the answer. Okay, clear, right? Similarly, try to do the Roman 4 and Roman 5. Okay, very easy.